Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through 5 super quick and easy stretches that you can do for the neck and the shoulders. Let's get to it. Go ahead and come to a nice comfortable seat and drop your left ear over your left shoulder. Option to draw that left ear closer to your shoulder and extend that right arm out. Breathe deep breaths. And then release, and let's go over to the other side. Right ear over right shoulder. Right hand can draw that ear closer to your ear, and you can extend that left arm out if you wish. Feel this nice stretch in the side of your neck. And then release back through to center. Let's take some shoulder rolls, shrugging the shoulders up to the ears. Inhale and exhale to draw them away. Inhale, roll them up. Exhale, draw them down. Keep going. Amazing. And then let's find our cow face arms. So right arm up towards the sky, bend at the elbow. Left arm comes behind you. See if you can interlace your fingertips together. And if not, you can always just grab a hold of your shirt or press your hands into your back. And release. Right arm goes underneath the left. Let's find eagle arms. Drawing the arms up towards the sky and away from the body. Release. Let's find cow face arms on the opposite side. Left arm up, right hand behind. Noticing if one side's a little more difficult to grab a hold of, that's okay. And then release. Eagle arms, left arm underneath right. You can always take a little hug here if you can't quite bind the arms, no problem. And then let's release. Our final pose is puppy pose. Walk the hands out, keep your hips over your knees, and allow the heart and the head to come down towards the mat. You can always place a block underneath your head if this is too intense, but this is a great shoulder opener and stretch. Keep breathing. And then release. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell button to be notified when I post free weekly content. Make sure you check out my other yoga videos and meditations on my channel, and I can't wait to see you again soon.